What's good, y'all? Today we're opening up the Rough Country twin tube air compressor, and I just wanted to show you guys what was inside, what comes with the box. This is going to be a quick video, and my first video probably. I need an air compressor. I want to run air lockers in the future. Competitors are really expensive, and I just also picked up the Rough Country MLC6 switch panel. So I just figured I'd end up going with Rough Country. It was about $300 cheaper for the twin tube compressor, opposed to competing brands. So it comes with the instructions on top, a little cutout template for if you need to make a mount, and then inside you should get your air compressor and two different little wiring harnesses. Your larger wiring harness will connect from your compressor to the battery, and then the smaller oh, that's kind of nice. And then the smaller wire will connect from the air compressor to the switch. So here's your switch. Feels pretty quality, sturdy. I think I just like doing that. I do have, like I said, I have the MLC6 panel though, so I'll probably just connect this to that. Maybe I'll keep this as a dead switch, just so I can play with it. Yeah, like I said, your smaller wiring harness will connect to the back of here, and then this will connect to these prongs right here. Then again, the larger wiring harness will go from those prongs to your battery harness. The quality of this is kind of nice, to be honest. The air filters are also included, and they'll pop out in these two spots right here. And then obviously this is where your, if I can get it out, where your hoses and your plumbing and stuff will come from. But overall, this is pretty cool. Then your air filters are in there. Yeah, this is just a little walk around to see what you get when you order this kit. If you want to run lockers and stuff, Rough Country doesn't sell the solenoids or the I'm drawing a blank, the little silver cylinder. It's gone, it's beyond me. But yeah, I was thinking about just going off the ARB website and picking them up from there. And Rough Country doesn't sell any mounting kits for the JL yet, I believe. So I'll probably go with another brand, or maybe I'll just make my own. See the bottom of this thing. So, okay. I'm not sure how far apart they are. Only if I had some measuring tape conveniently on me. Okay, no measuring tape, but I do have a ruler. And it looks like the first two set of holes are about 1 3/4 away from each other, and then all the way across they're about 8 3/4. Then on the other axis, we're looking at an inch to, I'm sorry, about just a little shy of 2 1/4. That's just to get some perspective of how big or how far apart the mounting points are. I'm not sure if it's the same as the ARB ones or not. Hopefully someone can let me know that does have an ARB compressor. But overall, this looks pretty cool. I'm not sure where I'm going to mount it yet. I'm thinking I want to go under the seat, but could also go under the fender, obviously. Just because the wiring harness isn't too long, it probably would be easier just to run it through the engine bay. I'm also not trying to spend, I don't know, I'm sure the wire, like an extension wiring harness isn't that much more, but maybe I'm just being cheap. But overall, looks like a quality compressor. If you have any questions, let me know.